Welcome to Kickbox. Today, we're excited to guide you through adding and managing additional users from your Kickbox dashboard. Adding additional users can help you eliminate password sharing and allows you to invite new users with custom permissions. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is invite new people to your account. Select Settings from the options in the top middle of your verification dashboard. In the Settings section, find Account Users on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it to start inviting users to your account. To invite users, simply click the plus button, type in their email address, let's say example@kickbox.com, and customize their role based on the permissions you want to grant them. We offer default roles based on common use cases, like admin, billing, developer, or verifier. Each role comes with a description of the permissions it includes. Because every organization is unique, we also allow you to customize these roles to align with your verification needs. Choose Custom to access a full list of available permissions and create a role that fits your needs. If you ever need to edit someone's permissions or remove them, click on the three dots next to their name. Here, you can either edit permissions or choose to remove the user. You can also be part of multiple accounts, and it's very easy to switch between them. Up in the top right navigation menu of the Kickbox dashboard, you can click Switch Accounts. Here you can see the accounts you're part of. This makes managing multiple accounts easy. And that's it. If you have any questions about managing users for your organization, reach out at help@kickbox.com. We are here to help.